And hello everyone. Welcome to another vlog of from my channel. My name is David and my channel is Magnetic 2016. So I know you guys saw that 0 miles to empty. Hopefully we don't stay stranded. But actually guys, I'm already at a gas station, and never ever, please do not ever let your car go this slow of gas, especially if it's supercharged or has any force induction system on it, because those fuel pumps will really pick up that grit, dirt that comes along with gasoline and all that. So we're gonna pump some gas and we will get going with our vlog today. I'll be going to a cruise, and hopefully you'll enjoy the footage. And now that I have some gas, we can safely get to that cruise and see who we meet. In these events, it's pretty cool because you get to meet people from different backgrounds, different, they have different styles, they have different taste in modifying their car. Now, I don't like to be very judgmental when it comes to vehicle modifications. Like I said in a previous video, I love all vehicles and all mods. It is unique to see the different builds. So I'm going to be cleaning this off. As you can see, it's got this mud. I'll be cleaning it off. I advise you not to do that I advise you guys not to do that with just water and wiping it down. All I'm using is soapy water. I did use Speed Shine, Riot Speed Shine, and by no means am I sponsored, guys. I'm just letting you guys know what was in the bottle and what is in the bottle right now. It's soapy water. It's just soapy water. I forgot my tripod. Orange Fury, 2018. That looks nice. That looks nice. It's a nice, unique color. What's up, bro? have a Camaro Z01 2018. Here's a Celine. Hey, awesome 5.0. Looks pretty good. Sounds like he's not stock, guys. He's not stock. Sounds good, bro. I'm really regretting walking all the way this far. Ooh, I'm out of shape. Over there we have a Orange Fury over there. That Orange Fury's lost. He's lost, guys. I got my exercise for the day, guys. I'm tired. And guys, this is where we park the cars together, and then they take a group photo from up there, the stadium. Today's looking a little gloomy, a lot of fog, you know. But you got that drone somewhere there. Got that drone going. I need to get myself a drone, guys. Seriously need to get myself one. And I'm hoping guys, that the GT350 will rev the one that's in front of me so I can get it on tape. Well, so I can get it on video.